Joining us from the band Subtribe is Te Oranga Nolan e te prata. Congratulations. Before we bounce into this new white, it's called The Road. Loving this sound as well. Man, surely you got a freestyle for us, eh? You got a bit of a freestyle for the whānau?
Oh, freestyle. Alright, yo. Yeah. Ko te a, ko te e, ko te I o u, ka wai, ka toko tara, ka mana watu. I tēnei no te tai hau a uru, a hopu tino paki we oho e tū. Amihi tēnei a kinga I wi katoa. Ni ngā tupuna ako wawe heki te pō. I tiro mai e hoa maa whakuronga tēnei ki ngā taunga o ātia watoa ngatia.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, brothers, Te Oranga Nolan, but in fact, you've got a few MC names, brother. Tell us more.
Yeah, Ranger 45. I've got my own little solo thing that I've been doing over the years, just keeping busy. Start following our socials, whānau. Tonight I'm going to go live and do a bit of a DJ set and just play some of our influences, and we're going to play the new single and plug it. Might even jam it live. The Hornboys are coming around too. Half the Ropu Aussies. And the half of us are Māori. Big up to Bowie Javon Tarfa. He's from Titahi Bay as well. Myself, because he's chichu.
Yeah, live from Ahitereiria, Te Oranga Nolan. Rajar 45 joining us, representing Subtribe. They've just dropped the brand new single that you can hear in the background. This one's called The Road. Probably speaks for itself, brother.
Hi, bro. That's right. Yeah. Well, it's the same thing. Tommy sent me the beat with the chorus. I got no money, I got no left in my hand, I'm coming from my rent. Those type of vibes, so my verses sort of stick on some of those little things, Nice. A lot of people can relate to that, especially at young ages, and even if you are a bit older, you can relate to the old days or whatever, people that have gone through these little funny situations. So, yeah, it's a bit of a crack up, but man, it's awesome, bro. It's got the fat kick, fat bass line. Yeah, we're stoked, bro. So, if you can get out and support us in any way, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, be much appreciated, whanaunga. Ngā
mihi kia koe, Te Oranga Nolan from the band Subtribe in the house, in the area. Hopefully we'll get them here for 2021 back home to Aotearoa. Hua anō, mihi ana kia koe, thank you very much for your time. All the best with the album release. E te prata tēnā koe.
Te matua kana.
Yes, that's right. Born Again in the house and Subtribe with a brand new one. This one's called The Road. Give me a fresh, brand new way to ho right here at Aotearoa tēnā tātou.
My landlord's coming for my rent. He keeps on coming, so I keep on running. But this road, it doesn't seem to end. I like to work, I work so hard for my boss, so no, he doesn't care. He gives me money, so I keep on working. But this road, it doesn't seem to end. I keep going round in circles, just when I think I'm good. One big night and all of a sudden I'm broke and I knew I would. Every weekend seems to be something happening in my life. How do I escape all the madness in my social life? I got no money, I got none left, but my landlord's coming for my rent. He keeps on coming, so I keep on running, but this road, it doesn't seem to end. I like to work, I work so hard for my boss, so no, he doesn't care. He gives me money, so I keep on working, but this road, it doesn't seem to end. I want to know now, how do I keep a balanced head when this your Friday special got a hold on me and I don't want to go to bed. I need to know now, how do I keep myself in check when this your Sunday session got a hold on me and I don't want to go to bed.